JianSlides. Birds from A to Z. Let's find out the names of the birds in the alphabet. What's their tweet sounds like? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. A is for avocet. B is for bluebird. C is for crow. D is for dove. E is for eagle. F is for flamingo. G is for gala. H is for heron. I is for ibis. J is for jay. K is for kingfisher. L is for lorikeet. M is for mockingbird. N is for nightingale. O is for oriole. P is for partridge. Q is for quetzal. R is for robin. S is for stork. T is for toucan. U is for upupa-epops. V is for vulture. W is for woodpecker. X is for zeem. Y is for yellowhammer. Z is for zebrafinch.